Hello my friends, welcome back to the Super Easy Drawings YouTube channel. How are you today? Hope you have a nice day. Hello Kitty. Yes, today I will draw Hello Kitty. Do you like Hello Kitty, guys? Let's draw his head or his face. For those of you who are new to watching my channel, where are you from? Is it from America? From England? From France? Or from Canada? Wherever you come from, I'm glad to meet you. His eyes. Let's make his beautiful eyes. And then legs. Let's make his legs. I love drawing so much, and do you too? Wow! Very cool and beautiful. Look at this. Wait until I color it, friends. Hi guys, what are you doing now while watching YouTube? Are you lying down? Or are you eating accompanied by your mother? If your mother is beside you, give me greetings, and tell her that you love her very much. Okay, we have finished making the picture. Next, let's color it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Green color. Let's color this part with green color. Pink color. Let's color this part with pink color. Thank you for watching. See you again, my friend. Mwah. Yellow color. Let's color this part with yellow color.